Damocles Wars is a wargame designed to make the hobby as accessible and fun as possible. The rules are free and playable directly online. Players can use the miniatures they already love, whether they come from major brands, independent creators, or their own homemade collections. I want to build a universe and a rule set that players and creators can truly make their own. Step by step, the website will also provide free gaming accessories, campaign content, more printable terrain, and various tools to make playing and building armies easier. The idea behind Damocles Wars is simple. If you own a 3D printer, some resin, and a bit of PLA, you should be able to print everything you need to play. Damocles Wars is designed for fast, large-scale battles, with maximum fun and as little friction as possible. Smooth rules, fast activations, very few gray areas, and a system built first and foremost to create memorable battles on the tabletop. Today, the project enters a new stage with the beginning of the open beta and the official arrival of the Bug Army. A faction built around adaptation, constant pressure, and a wide variety of threats. Expendable infantry, organic creatures, fast bikes, heavy armored vehicles, living artillery. The Bug Army is designed to offer very different playstyles while remaining fast to paint and enjoyable to play. Every miniature in this campaign was sculpted with gameplay in mind. Clear silhouettes, details that still read well with fast painting techniques, and armies that you can realistically finish, play, and expand over time. The campaign offers several types of pledges. First, a complete STL pledge that will progressively unlock the entire Bug Army range through stretch goals. Nearly 600 miniatures have already been sculpted for the project. For players who prefer printed miniatures, several physical pledges are also available. The Discovery Box is designed to introduce players to the game with a small force that is quick to paint and easy to play. The Starter Box gives access to a real army capable of playing full campaigns and larger battles. And the Commander Box offers a massive force with all the tactical options needed to fully explore the faction, in addition to the complete STL collection to expand your army later on. All boxes are customizable. Squads, characters, and support options can all be swapped in order to build exactly the army you want to play. Damocles Wars represents years of work, testing, campaigns, and development. And this Kickstarter is only the beginning. My goal is simple: continue expanding the game, release new factions, improve the free tools, and build a project designed first and foremost for players. If this vision of the hobby speaks to you, I hope you will enjoy joining the adventure. Welcome to Damocles Wars.